a type of tribesmen who are only present in this type of islands. That is why government is protecting them. And you have killed them all, shouted Raj. He was very annoyed and helpless after hearing the decimation of the rarest tribesman in the world. Kid, stop shouting at me, or I'll do the same to you all. Do you want that? The voice stopped Raz from making his point. They have not died. When my work will be over, I have the antidote, and I will administer the same to them to make them normal. The voice said. Is it possible? Professor Basu asked doubtfully. Because they are not eating anything from so many days. How can they regain their energy after you give them the antidote? Good question, Professor Basu. Yes, if I apply the antidote after a year, then within this time they all will die. But we will achieve our objective here once you tell me the specific location of the blue Rafflesia that you have already discovered. So the life of the tribesman depends on you all. If you get the info I desired, then you will be killed, but the tribesman will be saved. They'll be free and alive. Because I am a scientist, I know the significance. I know the significance of this sentinelist tribe. I hope you understand the significance. But to provide you the exact location, you must allow us to visit the place from where you kidnapped us. Professor Basu replied. Let us finish our job. At least we can make a lasting contribution, or the last contribution for the benefit of the land. Let us make the